Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be taking a look at some RGB strips. Now these don't have a box, which is kind of odd, but you can get these on Aliexpress and they do take about, I'd say, a month to arrive. They are pretty good price actually. So I got these sent over to me like always, and it's going to be an honest review like I said, so if they suck, they suck. If they don't, then I'll let you know. So first we have the little accessory pouch. We have a wall adapter. This one is a 100 to 240 volt, 50-60 hertz, 12 volt, 1.5 amp, typical power adapter. Alright, so we have the little control panel here with the I receiver, a split end. I don't remember if this was a 32 foot or a 16 foot, but I guess you can extend them if you would like, which is interesting. Yeah, color, music, and then power on and off. This right here you have the power, then right here you have the DC 12 volt output IR, and then I don't see a microphone for some reason, but yeah, it says there's music mode. Right here you have a Bluetooth instruction guide, show you how to set it up. And then right here you have some replacement prongs, so you have 4 replacement prongs. There's the remote, custom remote I guess, 22 key remote. You have red, green, blue, white, orange, yellow, cyan, purple, jump 3, 7, fade 3, 7, and 4 music modes, as well as a brightness adjustment and 8 on and off. A little silica gel. Alright, so here are the strips. I believe it should be 16 foot, but if it's 32 then it's 32, but I'm pretty sure I asked for 16. I don't remember. Okay, so this has a sponge adhesive, which means it'll stick stronger over time. It has a silica gel coating over it, so it'll help with waterproof. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and plug this in. Make sure it's arrow to arrow. You can't really plug this in the wrong way, which is cool. Secure lock in one way. Then go ahead and get the AC adapter and plug it into power. Plug into power right now. Alright, sorry about the one-handed, but this is the app that you have to download to be able to use, like, I don't know, other stuff, I guess. Like 16.4 million different colors and stuff like that. This is the strip. The remote does not have a battery with it. I will go ahead and find one and use it. But the control panel. This is the control panel. As you can see, you can change the mode. That's where it is. And there's a hidden microphone in this, where you can like hear the music, I guess, on and off button, and then you can change the color as well as the modes. And then this changes the music mode, so there's 4, and then it separates them with the red. So overall, don't really like these strips, mainly because they take a month to get here. I don't remember the pricing on them, but if they're like $5, then yeah, they're pretty good. But if they're $20, anything above $15, I do not recommend it, especially since it takes like forever to arrive, so I don't recommend it. The app itself is a little finicky. It doesn't really have too many modes. The only thing it'd be useful for is different colors, because you can basically access everything on the app from the remote, which is not the point of an app. You're supposed to have more configurations on the app to make you want to download it, but there's no possible way you can do more stuff on the app than you can do on this. I mean, you get all the music modes. You can cycle through all the colors through both of these 2 options. I know I like it's 3 options that you can be able to control this. You can control it like this, the control panel, or the app, similar to Govee, but it is not as good as Govee or any other company in that matter. It is decent. Let's just say that. Now, they are not that bright, and they were full brightness, and they weren't even that bright. So I do not recommend this to anyone, but, you know, if they're, I don't remember the pricing, but if they are $12, and yeah, I think I was supposed to get 10% commission or something per sale, but you know, I'm not here to sell you guys bad stuff for money. I'm here to sell you guys good stuff for money. Yeah, but yeah, I'm trying to just sell you good stuff. I don't want you guys to be disappointed and stuff. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.